We're rocking with the beauty of a frickin' day today, boys. One thing, when the weather's super nice, it always reminds me that I love to do customs. The reason the weather has to do with that is because my girlfriend doesn't really let me do them inside. They get a little messy. Anyway, what I'm trying to say, boys, is today we're doing a custom. We got some stuff to pick up. We're just gonna vlog this one. And frickin' that's it. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys.
Beautiful morning.
Large iced coffee black.
Yeah, please.
Surely no, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Leave a like down below for Custom Brand being back in action, boys.
278.
Thanks, bro. So I gotta wear these things? Oh, I need a straw for that too, man. Thanks. Who's ever ordered an iced coffee without a straw? Come on, man. Hey, bro, quick question. You haven't seen a fat little child running around, have you? He looks like an idiot, no? Okay, thanks, man. Alright, man, so here's our game plan for today. Well, here's what happened this morning already. I was on Instagram, went on World Star, of course. You gotta see all the crazy stuff happening, although World Star has been kind of lame lately. Watch this gnarly video right here. Made a comment, of course. A few seconds later, somebody hit me up saying this. Now, keep in mind, at this point in time, boys, I was like, well, I do have a different plan for a video today, but if you really wants to see me make a custom that I've been wanting to do for a long time, I want to really get back to these things, man, then I'm gonna give the kid what he wants, and I responded this. Boys, when I say that I respond back to you on Instagram, I really try. Really appreciate it, so shout out to that guy. He's the reason the customs are coming back today. Sorry, boys, I had to dip. We were at a Five Guys parking lot, and frickin' there was a bunch of people eating and just watching me vlog. I was like, this is a little weird. You know what I mean? Usually I don't care too much, but I was like, I just thought I gotta need it right now. So don't vlog and drive. I don't recommend that whatsoever. That was a red. Anyway, we're off the Safeway, boys. We gotta get the frickin' ingredients for this PEPTO BISMOL custom. Wow. Yo, that was a 2-minute drive, boys. We're here right now. So don't come at me with the questions of why does he shake so much? It's my second of the day. We're gonna have 2 more, so relax. What do you think, boys? Big guns? I'll go with 1. Secured, boys. Been shitting all day. It's been the worst. PEPTO BISMOL for the win. Bro, I feel like a dick. I didn't even notice she put it in a bag. I hate one bag for one thing. It's weird. Anyway, boys, I was just thinking, out of all the PEPTO BISMOL customs we've done, I don't think I've ever tried this stuff. Oh, weirdly enough, the aftertaste is actually great. It's the beginning process of getting it down the gullet that sucks, you know? Alright, boys, so this is how this is going down. It might also sound like it's not gonna work, but keep in mind, I have so much experience with PEPTO BISMOL customs, I think I know what I'm doing. It's like a good odds, there's good odds it's gonna work too. So one thing I know about PEPTO BISMOL is once it's poured on something, although I've only ever poured it on shoes, but generally it hardens really well. Here's what I'm thinking. We're gonna take this Shop GLD watch, $1,000 watch by the way, a little bit more actually Canadian, with diamonds on it. Also, we're giving one of these away if you guys hit 1,600 thumbs up within the day. Thumbs up, comment, you guys are entered to win. Anyway, we're gonna take this watch, we're gonna pour this on it, wait for it to harden. Now, you guys might be saying at this point, Bran, it's got diamonds all over it. What are you gonna do with that? Here's what I'm thinking, boys. And I'll listen very carefully. Once this hardens on this watch, hopefully the PEPTO BISMOL pink is gonna sink in between these diamonds. Not just in between, it is gonna be on the diamonds as well. So I'm thinking we're gonna let it harden. Keep listening, boys. Once it's hardened, then we're just gonna scrape off the top layer, which is the PEPTO BISMOL covering just the diamonds, leaving the PEPTO BISMOL in between each diamond. Does that make sense? So in other words, this watch is gonna go from silver background or white and gold background to frickin' pink. The diamonds are gonna show. We'll scrape it off this part too, so it's frickin' fully functional, boys. Let's get a frickin' hell yeah. NameBran customs are back. Boys, I think this could work. Grab your explosive diarrhea juice, boys. This custom's about to be gas. So weird, gross. Still gonna use it. All right, let's go. Smother him in that pink, boys. Every man's best friend. Now set him in the sun, boys. Let him dry in the pink. You boys had a big day. That's stupid. Be back in an hour. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, quality is not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family, brands for the boys, and that's why NameBran Fam is a thing. Thank you for sponsoring us. Me, nobody else will. right, boys, moment of truth. I've actually let this sit out for frickin' 2 hours, maybe. Let's check her out. Oh, God. Let's see. You know, she doesn't look half bad. Let's bring her in and do our work, boys. All right, boys, so here's what we're looking at. It's either gonna work out real well or we have a giant issue. As you guys can see, we do have the pink on the inside. If I really wanted to do this better, I guess we'd get that. As you can see, I kind of missed a spot right there. But let's just try to see if it actually works first. But all along, we do have the pink on the inside. Now, I got this thing right here. This is like a sander without the sandpaper. You feel me? We're just gonna sand off the very top of it, leaving all of the pink that's on like the inside of the stones once again on the inside of the stones. So a light buff right over the top of her. God damn. Freaking out. Once again, boys, it's either beauty custom or we screwed up. I need sandpaper. It's not really working. This part, don't worry about it. We can always wash this off. Boys. Oh God, let's go. Once again, we're only hitting the actual diamonds to get it off. She's working! Yes! So boys, as you can see, the diamonds, it's coming off of there and it's sticking in between them. So this just might be a better angle. Beauty. Oh, not beauty. Not beauty. Sandpaper, don't use it. It freaking... I should have just used water at the top of it or something. The sandpaper grinds down the diamonds. They don't even shine anymore. Look at it, it's ultra shiny right here where I didn't hit it. Obviously. Oh shoot, boys. I really screwed this up. Oh. Know what this means. In all theory, man, I actually thought it might work. Like, we'll just do a shoe next time. You just can't customize jewelry that way, clearly.